everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a wig review on a wig that I got from SamsBeauty, which y'all know I love SamsBeauty. I'm really excited about this wig. This is kind of a different wig than what I've tried before. It's like a long bob, a lob. That's what you call them, right? A lob. So it's from Freetress and it is called Flirty, and I got it in the color OT99J, so a 1B/burgundy. And this is what it looks like. So actually the model has the color that I have. Okay, so off the bat, one thing that I love is that it doesn't have the lace that I have to already cut. Girl, it's nothing here, nothing. I'm so happy I don't have to cut lace because I just hate doing it. But this is what the part looks like, and the parting space is really good. This is what it looks like straight out of the pack. So I think that's pretty good. You can definitely go in and pluck some hairs. I may do that later, but I am just going to show you guys what it looks like as is. Okay, and it also says that it's curling iron safe up to 400 degrees. I don't know why you would want to curl this, but you can up to 400 degrees. And also on the back, it has directions on how to take care of the hair. So this wig is extremely lightweight so far. I'm just gonna turn this inside out so you guys could see it. So it has two wig clips in the front, it has a clip in the back, and it also has the adjustable straps. So let me just go ahead and put this baby on. Okay, so I'm gonna, try to fix this up a little bit more, but one thing I will say off the bat is that this wig is very snug. It fits my head really well, and I didn't even do anything to the adjustable straps or anything, so it definitely fits. I love how it looks on the side. Okay, and y'all know I didn't do anything to the part. That's what it looks like. So I've been running my fingers through it. I don't have any tangles, but it's just a tad bit of shedding. I got about 2 strands of hair, which, I mean, isn't bad. I don't even know if y'all can see that. Okay, I like it better behind the ears. I still get that symmetrical line. So I like it like this. I feel like it's really cute, it's really fun, it's really flirty. I love how light it is. The color looks good. What I really like about this is that the color doesn't look fake. You know, with some wigs, especially if it's a synthetic wig, you could be like, oh, that color, like, why are you even getting it in color? Why did you even get it in color? And that's like one reason why I don't get many synthetic wigs in color, because it just look fake, like it be too shiny, or it just, for example, if the color is supposed to be burgundy, it's more like red, like a fire hot Cheeto red, and don't nobody got time for that. So I really appreciate that this is actually like the color that it says it is. But yes, the only con that I really have with this hair, besides it just being a little bit too much in my face if I don't have the front of the hair behind my ears, is that it just sheds a little bit, but I'm not even really worried about that. So that's basically it, guys. I love this hair. Let me know what you think, guys. Let me know if you like this wig. If you would like to try this wig for the summer, I'll have all the hair details below in the description box. And Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all on the next video.